Hello students. Today we are going to solve another important question of O-level mathematics on the topic of vectors, and this is the first part of the question. The vector m in column form given as 5 or m, find 3m. 3 multiplied by the vector m. The vector m is multiplied by the scalar 3. So here m is this. So we put the value of this m over here in column vector, that is 5, 7. 5, 7. 3 multiplied by 5, 7. The vector m. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. 21. This was the first part, and the second part is that VW vector is given in column form as 10 minus 24. Find the magnitude of the vector VW. So this is equal to under root the square of x component plus the square of y component. Here we know that this is the x component and this is the y component. Put the values. 10 square plus minus 24 square. Yes. So this becomes, let me check. 24 square multiply 24 2 times 576, it becomes 576. The square of 10 is 100 plus, and this is 576. Yes. (24) square is equal to 576. So here the final answer becomes 676. 676. If we are going to further solve this and want to give it in the decimal form, so we just take the under root 676. Yes, 676 on your calculator, if you have, that is equal to 26. Yes, 676 is also a perfect square. I am going to explain this over here. 676 is actually the square of 26. So yes, the square root of 676 is equal to 26. So this is equal to 26 units. What unit it might be? So this is equal to 26. So this was an easy and simple yet very important question from the topic of vectors O-level mathematics. This was the question number 2. We will further solve some advanced questions in the next video. Thank you.